So we will have FOMC meeting Fed minutes from April 28th through 29th released in 6 minutes. This morning we had very powerful minor trend dance between Fibonacci levels. Reminding you, respect and adore the end of the minor trend to the upside, respect and adore the end of the minor trend to the downside. This is the ultimate test of your knowledge and very crucial support and resistance level, confirming each and every time that there is no random support and resistance levels. Every support and resistance level identified by Fibonacci levels. 4 trades accomplished prior to FOMC, 2 long trades from 21.21 until 21.25 and 21.26, 4 and 5 points, quick negative trade finally, and short trade from this area down. So will the buyers be able to defeat this area with vengeance? And will the bullish rally pick up this steam? Which trend is becoming major? What are we seeing currently on this chart? We're seeing incredibly clearly that there are 70% of sellers and only 30% of buyers. It's all in front of you. We're simply respecting the levels and we're observing this very, very powerful structure. Ultimate test of your knowledge and discipline. And we're remembering incredibly clearly, never, ever, 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 ever enter position into FOMC. I will bring up incredibly small chart so you can witness how sharp and volatile the formations will be. It is the most powerful financial news that affects S&P drastically. It is more powerful than any unemployment data. Currently, I'm seeing multiple bullish formations across the board. But those bullish formations are not touchable because no knowledgeable trader would acquire position into the news. So here's heads up. The fight between 2 minor trends, buyers and sellers in a play. If sellers will succeed with vengeance, S&P heading to 21.1775, 21.13 and drastically lower down. At each level, it is essential to monitor for alpha wave trader rules. To the upside, if buyers would shock and floor us, which is highly unlikely at this moment, that buyers will succeed and will confirm that they're more powerful than sellers, expect to see S&P at 21.29. As of right now, both trends are minor and both trends are dancing between decision point 1 to the upside and decision point 1 to the downside. And the news will tell us who will confirm this dance and who is in charge. And just to remind you where we are on daily chart and why we've been witnessing this very powerful minor trend dance. We are at the end of minor trend on daily chart. We are at the end of minor trend on weekly chart. I don't remember seeing this in forever. That's why markets are so tired and so uneventful. But it's also a very crucial reminder. Never ever ever acquire position into the end of the minor trend. Doesn't matter if it's weekly, doesn't matter if it's daily, doesn't matter if it's hourly chart. It's all the same formula. So let's see FOMC release in 2 minutes. Let's monitor and pull up the smallest chart of all. Let's bring up trades and news and let's see what happens next. Team. Buyers stepped in with vengeance. Here's the data that just came out on trades and news. Waiting for more info. Quite strange not to have more information. Few officials thought data may justify data at June meeting. Did not rule out June increase. Again, very, very big news. Still confirming possible rate increases possible in June. Bias rallying from the end of the minor trend. Pay attention to what will happen currently on hourly chart at this level. This is the key point. Price flew in an instance to the end of the minor trend, the same exact level that S&P been trying and trying and trying so hard to break through. This is when it gets interesting. 3 minutes after release of the news, I warned you. Monitor for selling pressure. How cool is that? 3 points later, the sellers are waiting at the end of the minor trend. How predictable is price? Never, ever, ever enter into it. That's what happens. Respect the ultimate resistance levels. Would love for S&P to collapse as low as possible and give me ultimate trade. Right now, the fight is vicious and it continues on. Magic is the name of the prize. The most magnificent puzzle of all. Ultimate test of your knowledge. Absolutely perfect reminder. Play by the rules and never, ever, ever, ever disrespect Fibonacci levels. Is that clear? Magnificent puzzle. Never cease to amaze me. It is never better to remember. Print the screenshot and ask yourself, do you know these Fibonacci levels? Did you play by the rules? Did you respect the end of the minor trend? Did you skip the temptation and played by the rules, knowing what will happen instantly at that level? The fight is on, traders, and it's quite vicious, showing you clearly. No support and resistance is random. It's absolutely perfect. Timing everything on the structure. Trading into FOMC was not an option. For that reason, what are we monitoring for currently? Price will find the crawl into this level. This would be very interesting market close. Buyers completely and fully in charge. Will be very interesting place to see what S&P would do in this area. Again, entire day we respected the end of the minor trend to the upside and to the downside. Right now, decision point 2 in a play. S&P adores decision point 2. Will sellers step in with vengeance? Highly doubt. Expect S&P to make it further, but nevertheless, let's pay attention to this first resistance level. So here we are at reversal zone. Let's see how powerful the selling pressure will be. We expected selling pressure from reversal zone, and here we are. You witnessed one of the wildest rides ever. Here we go, short S&P. Price at the end of the minor bearish trend. Will S&P collapse through it? Is it powerful enough? 21.2750 decision point 2, which S&P loves as very crucial target. But this is the end of the minor bearish trend to the downside. Will the sellers take a major pause? No, they're showing that they're quite powerful to the downside. The end of the minor trend respected. Decision point 2 is finally here. What a crawl on S&P. Agree? Isn't it shocking how much price respects this level? Will it collapse further down? I would love to see S&P here. That's a level I'm interested in. Trade number 5 today. Non-time based chart. Trade number 31. $28 trades reached decision point 1. Very corrective day yesterday, 3.5 and 3.25 points at the first target. 26 trades reached decision point 2. That's where we're sitting currently on this very, very cute, lovely, torturous trade on S&P. 2.5 points later for the trading room. Those who trade my advanced method, 4 points later. Well, our cutie fruity short trade collapsed to reversal zone. Dances on between reversal zone to decision point 1. Dances on our trade, decision point 2. 2.5 points, not a bad gig. Buyers currently still domineering when it comes to larger time frames. This is a major obstacle to the downside. Perfect puzzle. Continue playing out. Volatility is in, the volatility we've been waiting for. Reversal zone. Remember what I said I'm excited about. Here we are. Almost 5 points. Will S&P give us more? Everybody here trades different lot size. Monitor response at reversal zone. Trail currently at 21.28. We are expecting a powerful bounce, correct? It would be so lovely in this area. We'll take it off the last 30 minutes, but only if rules are met. 6 points S&P, 2P2P2. What will price do at reversal zone? Let's see. Will the buyer step in with vengeance? How marvelous is life and trading if you play by the rules. Been in a trading room since yesterday. I've been saying monitor for selling pressure at reversal zone. Short trading room 21.30. Advanced student short 21.31. That's the difference. We are at 21.23.50. Will the buyer step in with vengeance? 6.5 and 7 points later. Remember, it's reversal zone 3. 7 points later. Lovely, lovely FOMC post collapse. Too bad, so sad. Absolutely perfect bullish trade setup was 2 minutes prior to FOMC, right into FOMC. We know that trading is all about playing by the rules. We could not touch that trade. We waited patiently for our flawless reversal zone, and here we are, 7 points later. Blasting through all of our targets. Clear. Short. Blasted through reversal zone, moving into hourly chart. Remember, or we've been taking longs on S&P from the entire morning, 4 trades prior, and been talking about this reversal zone for the last 2 days. Short from 21.30 and 21.31. If you are knowledgeable alpha wave trader, dream trader, reach 21.21.50. Bias is bullish. Bias is bullish. Looking to take long. That is a place where we've been taking long from this morning. 6 trades today. I feel like I need a vacation. Way too many trades. Correct? Buckle up. Bias bullish, monitoring for long. Very important level to the upside, 21.2575. Long S&P. Price struggled on this trade to blast through decision point 1. Let's document everything we've done. So here we go. 2 trades after FOMC. 2 trades after FOMC. Should make it 33 trades, correct? We've taken 1 negative trade, incredibly active trading day, which would make the number of trades currently at 33 minus 4 is 29. 29 trades made it to decision point 1. 27 trades made it to reversal zone. 20 trade made it to reversal zone. 27 decision point 2. Agree? So as I'm being corrected, we never got entered into the long trade, guys. Point of entry 21.25 and a quarter had never been reached. At any moment we will be entered. Let's see what will happen. Very important level to the upside, 21.26, with 21.26.75 being the key. Decision point 2 is to be respected dearly. Price never came to 21.25 and a quarter. Go ahead and cancel the trade. Cancel the trade. Any long trade had been cancelled. Trade never got entered. Price never made it to 21.25 and a quarter. So here's a correction on that trade. We had only 32 trades. The last trade never got entered. Clear? Never got entered into that trade. The only trade that played out after Fomc is short collapse. Never got entered into the long. So again, recap. We've been monitoring reversal zone for a second day in a row. We waited very patiently, allowed bullish rally to blast through. We had perfect multiple long trade opportunities. Few minutes prior to a Fomc release, we chose not to take. We played by the rules, took very powerful short trade down. Never got entered into the long. And that's what we've done today. 4 trades prior to FOMC, 9 points short after FOMC. And that's the magic of rule-based trading, price action and Fibonacci. So thank you so much for being here. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow, 9:30 in the trading room and 9:15 with my beautiful students. New class starts on Tuesday, but Friday we'll have amazing Fibonacci class.